What's up everyone? It's Gavin Scott and I am so excited. My website is up and running. It looks so good. Oh, and the products are freaking phenomenal. I'm telling you. I woke up one day and I was just sick and tired of what my clothes look like. The same old boring clothes. The same boring stuff. So I decided that I was going to change that. And I want to change it for everyone else. Not only just your wardrobe, but I decided that I was going to change just about every aspect of your life. If you are into, unique fashions, if you are into art fashion, if you are wanting to change your look, if you're wanting to step up your game, upgrade, you know what I'm talking about, then you want to check out shopgavs.com because I have some of the hottest products, some of the hottest trends, at some of the lowest prices that you're gonna find. I am so excited. I'm going to be showing you pieces as they come in. I have a new store that is actually going to be opening up very soon, but because of COVID-19, it's going to be appointment only. It's going to be very exclusive. It's going to be very, very hush-hush. There's so many things that are going on. We have photo shoots. I am shooting my first commercial very soon, so I'm getting models together. If you'd like to be a brand ambassador, send us your headshot and your information. If you were to ask me a year ago, in fact, it's funny, I look up, I'm getting memories and reminders of last year where I was just doing my very first unboxings. So to be where I'm at now, from there, I just never would have thought. So I've been featured by some of the hottest artists and by some of the hottest fashion influencers of our time, and it's been very exciting. Instagram has really allowed that connection where these huge names that you would just think are so out of reach, you have this ability to have a more intimate relationship with artists. It creates a more connected social setting, and it's less political, so it's nice. I love Instagram. I know that it's owned by Facebook. I love Facebook, but Facebook has a lot of flaws, and that is going to be in another video where I talk about my Facebook experience. So stay tuned for that. Today in this episode, I'm going to be unboxing, I can't tell you. We gotta find out. Let's get right to it. I absolutely love it when they bring me boxes. Some of our post guys are delicious. And the ladies are nice too. Alright, I'm gonna get into this package. This package. Don't ever do that again. I like the little... What do I have here? It looks like shoes. Ooh, ooh, I love it. I love it. All right. Oh my God. Ah, these are so freaking cool. What? Oh, these look so much cooler than they do online. Get out. Get out of here. What? Alright. Wow, that color looks amazing. What? I'm just blown away. Those are really cool. Awesome. Huh. It matches my shirt. Get out. Oh, it's cool. Has that nice mesh, kind of rubbery support. Of course, it's all mesh here and very breathable. Wow. Ooh, that feels so good. Wow. Okay. All right. Got a cool little backing. Of course, we'll do a little more detail on that. Wow. Those are sharp. Too cool. Very cool. Do it side by side. These are too cool. I'm impressed. I really am. All right, it is the S5. So if you go to shopgavs.com and you search sneakers, this is the S5. The S5 will run you $80 plus shipping, but actually free shipping on orders over $50. That's pretty nice. Drop us your email, you get $10 off a purchase. All right, so I'm pretty sure these are shoes as well. Voice. Oh, these are so cool. Alright. What? Wow. These are crazy. And again, they match the shirt. These are the S1s. They cost $75 and they look amazing. They have the all over mesh, so you just kind of slip them on and go. Tie them up here in the front. They lace up through the grid here on the side, which gives that nice support. Get a nice bend, and look at that traction. That is a deep groove. So you'll definitely be able to get some performance in this if you use it as a running shoe. It's got a nice, I would say, PU. It's got a nice little fake leather in the back. A little PU. I love it. That is so freaking cool. Those are, wow. Okay, so you have the S1s or the S5s. These are $80 and these are $75. They look fantastic. I'm telling you, you're gonna wear these and people are gonna be like, what? Where did you get those shoes? Because they look fantastic. I also have them in like 12 different designs. So you're bound to find something that you're gonna like, that you're gonna love, and things that you're just gonna have to have. So go to shopgavs.com. Find some shoes. I've got some, you like Timberlands? I got some boots that are just like them, but they look like this. You ever seen Timbs look like this? You do now. Shopgavs.com. You know I can't say somebody else's brand, I'm sure. Whatever. Bomb! If you like that video, make sure to follow and subscribe. It's the only way that you're going to stay up to date with all things Gavin Scott. Until next time.